Have you ever wondered how to keep those pesky garden pests away without resorting to harsh chemicals? The struggle with garden invaders is real, and the problem with traditional chemical repellents is they often do more harm than good. But there's a green thumb secret to this: natural alternatives. This video focuses on 2 surprising household items that can be your garden's new guardians against pests: tea bags and coffee. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of natural repellents, particularly tea bags and coffee. And tea bags and coffee aren't just for your morning routine anymore. These household staples have found a new lease on life as eco-friendly pest repellents. Here's how you can put them to work in your garden. Start with your used tea bags and coffee grounds. Rather than tossing them in the trash, spread them around your garden, focusing on areas where you've noticed slugs or other pests. The caffeine in these items acts as a natural deterrent, sending slugs packing without harming your plants. But it's not just about pest control. These methods also enrich your soil, providing a nutrient boost that can help your plants thrive. And let's not forget about the cost effectiveness. Instead of spending on chemical pest control solutions, you're utilizing waste from your kitchen. So it's a win-win situation. You keep pests at bay, your plants get a nutritional boost, and you save money. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to a pest-free garden. So, are you ready to give your garden a natural defense? Let's recap. Tea bags and coffee grounds aren't just for your morning routine. They are powerful allies in your garden, repelling pests like slugs. These natural repellents are not only effective, but are also a safer alternative to chemical ones. They won't harm your plants or the environment. So, let's take the eco-friendly route to pest control. Remember, a green garden doesn't just mean plants. It also means using eco-friendly methods to keep it healthy and pest-free.